In this video, I am going to show you a way that you can create a new Instagram account when you already have one. So let's say you're on your Instagram and there are two ways you can add a new account, either by tapping and holding on your profile icon. Here it says add Instagram account, or you can tap on settings, the three lines at the top right, and scroll all the way down, and here you see add account. So I'm going to tap on that. It says I want to log into existing account or I want to create a new account. So here in this case, I want to create a new account. I'm going to tap on that. As you can see, the first thing it asks me is for a username. So let's say I'm going to type my name and dot my last name. Now Instagram is telling me that this username is already taken and it's not available. If you want, you can make some changes to it. So let's say I choose this one, then I tap next. Here it says create a new Instagram account in this account center. That way my username will be connected to the same phone number or email address as my other account. So if I do that, it simplifies my login and the settings are all in one place. And I can easily log in and log out from multiple accounts to one another. I can either tap yes, continue. It will be connected to the account I already have, or I can tap no, use mobile number or email, and that way I can enter a new mobile number or email address, but that way it cannot be the same as the email address or mobile number that I have already used for my other account. Let's say I type in a password. I'm gonna hit next. It's asking me for my birthday. It's going to ask you some general questions about yourself. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and enter my birthday. And then it's asking me for my mobile number. You can enter your mobile number and it will send you a code. Or if you didn't get the code, I can just tap on I didn't get the code. It could either resend the code, or I could change my mobile number, or I could confirm by email. So I'm just going to go right ahead and type in my email. This should be an email that you haven't used for your other Instagram accounts. Otherwise, Instagram will not let you create a new account. Then I'm going to hit next. Now this is going to send me a code. As you can see, this is my code. Copy and paste. Now it wants me to agree to Instagram's terms and policies. I agree. Now my account is created. I need to just adjust some things like creating a profile picture or whatever Instagram is asking me, but you can just tap skip. And it says, welcome to Instagram. Also, this is some more settings regarding notifications and accessibility. So I'm just going to skip it. It wants me to connect my Instagram account to my Facebook account, because basically these two social medias are from the same company, but I'm still going to skip it. It says Instagram is more fun when you follow your friends and see their posts. Okay, that doesn't matter. You could either skip it or just find friends. I just want you to see what happens at the last stage. So now it's asking if you are interested in some of these memes or videos. They want to know your interest, your taste in videos, so they show you more things that you actually like. But I'm just going to skip it. And ta-da, that is your new Instagram account. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have any more questions, you can just ask me in the comment section.